So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of looping animation with using Cinema 4D, and second one, use Blender. So firstly guys, I'm going to take a cube, this one, and change cube size. Guys, size x1 I take 100 centimeter and y I like 5 and z1 same 100. Yeah. So closer. Yeah. And now guys, make editable this cube. So click on here and select edges, this one. And guys, select rectangle selection tool and select all corners like this. Yeah. And right click, use bevel. So guys, bevel is good, and subdivision I like 10, offset 10, and bevel I like 10. Yeah. And now guys, I take more smoothness, so select this corner and loop selection tool and select this one and go to back side. Yeah, holding shift key and select both one. Yeah. Okay, so now right click again one more time, bevel, but guys this time bevel offset I like 0.3 and enter. So closer like this. I go to here, display, select lines. Yeah. Okay, so guys, see, that's my simple cube. And now guys, I take cloner. So select this cube and make child with cloner and select this cloner. Guys, count I like 30, and see guys, that's my position, decrease I like 5. So go to back like this. That's my shape. Okay, so guys, my shape is complete. Next one, I apply plane effector tool. So select this cloner and use plane. Yeah. And guys, go to here, frame, increase frame I like 400. So go to full frame and I go to fall off and use line of fill. Yeah. And change guys direction plus Y. So guys, select this plane and go to up. Right, see guys, that's my simple animation. Okay, so now guys, position 0. So go to plane and I go to chord. So guys, position this one, x1, change I like minus 100 is good. So press this animation key and I go to like 200 frames, 200, and position this one, go to up like this. I like 250 and press animation key. Yeah. So guys, I go to like 230 and again press animation key, and last one I go to 400, so minus 100, minus 100. Yeah, press this animation key. Yeah. So go to back and play. Yeah, see guys, that's my simple animation. It's really smooth. So now guys, I increase position. So go to parameter and that's my position, and y-axis increase like this randomly like 230, and again go to back and play. Yes, good. Right. Okay, so now next one guys, I create rotation animation. So rotation check and r.h like 720 and go to back and play. Yeah, that's really good. See guys, that's my rotation animation. Yeah. Okay, so guys, my rotation is really good. Next one, I create scale size animation. So scale size, so guys, I go to 200 frame and scale size check and ununiform scale size check. and scale size 0. Press this animation key on 200 frames and go to 400 frames. Scale size I like -1 and press this animation key. Yeah, and go to back and play. So play this animation. Yeah, good. And next one. Yeah, see guys, that's good. Okay, so also last one guys, I only change position. So guys, go to here, that's my p.y position, 0 frame, and frame position check, and last one 200 frames, and p.y I like 0, and press this animation key. Yeah, and go to back and play. Yes, and next one. Yes, beautiful guys, I really like this animation. See guys, that's my final effect, right? And change. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys, my final animation is finished. Now I take plane and plane size increase like 2000 and 2000. Yeah, and take camera and camera check. Guys, set your camera angle. So play this animation. Yeah, and guys, select this plane, change position like this, and also guys, camera position I like this one. Yeah, it's good. So play. Yes, beautiful guys, that's my animation, final animation. So now guys, my animation is finished. I apply material, so go to create and load material. I have material file, this one, I like this one, and apply on cloner, and also plane. Yes, see guys, that's my final effect, right? Okay, so guys, stop this animation, go to back, and now guys, I teach you how to apply material on Blender. So Blender open, yeah, and go to general. So guys, select all and press delete key. Yeah, so guys, now export your all animation. So go to Cinema 4D and guys, select all your layer, that's one, select all and go to file and export this one, that's my .abc file, this one. So yeah, good. And guys, start frame 0 and end frame 400, that's my 400 frames, and select your all checker box, this one, and don't change anything. So press OK and go to desktop, and guys, take any file name like file and save, and see guys, that's my exporting. Yeah, my ABC file format is complete, this one. So go to Blender and guys, go to file, so go to import and import this one .abc format. Yeah, go to desktop, select this file, and guys, most important part, see guys, that's my manually scale size, I like 0.1 and import. Yeah, so see guys, that's my animation, that's my Cinema 4D animation in Blender. So play. Yeah, beautiful guys, that's really good. And guys, go to camera, and that's my camera angle, and guys, I change FPS frame, I like 30, that's my 30 FPS frame, and play. Yeah, right, see guys, that's my Cinema 4D animation in Blender, right? Okay, so guys, I increase frame, same 400, and frame size full. So go to back and again play. Okay, so guys, my final animation is really good. Now I apply beautiful material. So stop, go to back, and guys go to here. That's my HDRI environment. So go to color and use environment texture. This one. I have environment. So go to format file. This one and import. And guys, strength I like 3. That's my HDRI. So go to plane and see guys, that's my plane and material and create new material. Yeah. And guys, I have color code and that's my color code. So guys, see, that's my color code. So copy this code and apply on here. Apply. Yeah. And guys, this one roughness I like 0.3 is good. 0.3 and click on here. Yes, beautiful guys. Right? Okay, so guys, next one I create material for this cube. This one cube, right? Okay, so guys, I go on here, shading, this one, and guys select your first letter. Guys, select your first cube, this one, cube underscore 0, and create new material. This one, that's my material. And now guys, holding shift key and press A letter, and scale size I like type color ramp. Yeah, and this color connect with base color. And guys, now I change color. So select first checker box. I have color code, this one, and copy and apply, enter. That's my pink color, light pink. And second one I apply light blue, this one. So copy and enter. Yes, see guys, that's my color code. Okay, so guys, next one, same, holding shift key and press A letter, and this time I like layer with this one and facing to connect with face. Yeah, like this. And guys, that's one, metallic I like 1. Yeah, that's it guys. So go to layout. Yeah, and camera uncheck. See guys, that's my material. Guys, I apply this material on all cubes. So simple way, select your first cube, this one, and holding shift key and select all cubes, this one, and I go to object. So guys, go to link, data transform, here link material. Yeah, beautiful guys, and press 0. Yeah, and guys, I apply all material. So now I go to render setting. Guys, here render setting, render engine I use cycle and use GPU. Guys, render I like 512 and save your project. Save. Yeah, and click on here, render preview. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful render, right? Okay, so guys, it's really good. Now I apply light. So uncheck camera and use light. So I go to add light and use area light, this one. Yeah, and go to up. Yeah, so guys, I increase this light setting, some change on setting. Scale size I like 20. Yes, and go to up. Guys, I change size, shape, so use this. And so guys, power I like 2000. Enter. Yeah, and guys, now copy this light, copy, select this area light and shift D, that's one, and rotate this light like this. Yeah, and little bit down. select this area light 1. Yeah, good. So go to back and up. Yes, really good. And press 0. And guys, go to here, render preview. Yeah, guys, I change also position like this, and go to back. So guys, select this first one light and little bit up. Yeah, and select this area light 2 and back. Yeah, so guys, press 0 and see, that's my beautiful render, right? Okay, so next one guys, I go on here. You can also change this HDRI strength. I like 2.5. Yeah, it's also good. Okay, so guys, go to render setting and denoise and render check and use open image denoise. Yeah, that's it. So guys, resolution, I like only HD size 1280 and 720. Yeah, and I show you my render. Okay, so now guys, I also change roughness on this cube material. So guys, select this first cube, this one, and roughness here like 0.2. Yes, it's good. And one more time, go to render image. Yeah, see guys, it's really good. So guys, now I create animation frames. So stop this animation and click on here. See guys, that's my save output. So go to desktop and create new folder like render and take any file name. Yeah, that's it. So accept. Yeah, and go to here and use render animation. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.